as you can see, this is the full setup. Everything. Obviously there's going to be air filter there, but this is the full turbo setup. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get everything off. So, first of all, this stuff's pretty itchy. Just make sure you guys are in focus. That's why I'm putting my gloves on. Alrighty. First of all, this downpipe is not attached to anything at the moment, but we've got a 22mm for the O2 sensor. That can just come off there. Normally you don't do this, you unplug it, but I don't have the intake off at the moment, so there we go. We'll just put that over there for now. 11mm V-band on the downpipe. Now, just need to find my little tool. What we'll do is we'll just go make sure that comes off. Try not to lose this bolt because I don't have another one. You don't need any specialised tools for that either. Put this up here. Yeah. There we go. Put this V-band out of the way. Second, where are we caught up? That's where we caught up. There we go. That's out. Now, obviously, this is taped up. I'm not going to be taping it all the way down. But anyway, yeah, that's that. We'll put it down over here, and I will get this freaking V-band wherever it fell down. Under the car? No? Somewhere else. There it is. Right there. Okay. Chuck this V-band over there as well so we don't lose it. It's a good idea. Put some graphite on these or spray them with WD-40. Alright. Okay, we're still rolling. Okey spokey dokey. So, if you have a bit of a look down here, we're going to attack that one next, and then we'll attack that one there, down the bottom. Now that one, because I've put it on a bit of an angle, I won't be able to get it with my tool, so I'll have to do it by hand. But that's okay, because we can do that. Right. So, also have some zip ties ready. Actually I'll probably do this first. I'm going to take these gloves off now, so I don't need them. Drop them over there. Probably put a zip tie around the body of it. And that way, when you undo the whole thing, you can probably just zip tie through that. What do you call it? Alternator bracket. Good. I always think about stuff when I design stuff. I mean, this is handy if you're at an event or something and let's just say for instance, you blow your fucking turbo up. Oh well, change the bastard. You don't have to worry about all the drama of getting under the car and this and that and that and that. Right, so I think this is a 10 or 11. Oh no, that is an 11. That's an 11. Alright. Alright. Same thing here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this loose. I can take it off if I want to. I might actually just loosen that bottom one off first. Now, because I don't have a universal joint for this setup at the moment, I'm going to have to do this by hand, so it's going to take a little bit longer, but we'll give it a go anyway. Stuff it in there. Whoa, hear that? It's actually turning like 2 millimeters at a time. So, if you give me a minute, I've got a little attachment for this so that I can make it faster. See if I can find it. Get my hands in there. Ah, there we go. Look at that. As easy as that. The grand thing about this as well, guys, is that the bottom part of the manifold, I believe I can take it out without taking the engine out. So anyway, I didn't even cut myself, look at that. Just did it with this. Alright. Now, this thing here, oh. Take this bolt right out here. The old nylon. Alrighty. That's off there. Now, what I might have to do is, because this has been through a heat cycle, the old V-band's stuck on there on the bottom. So I will, first I'll get this nut off. This will probably be a lot easier for you guys as well because my eyes are full of stuff. Okay, alright, I'm going to go get my rubber mallet. Let's see if I can find my rubber mallet anywhere. Oh, fuck, where is it? Ah, it's over on the bench, I believe. There we go. Back out to the freaking car. See if I can turn this down a little bit so that you can actually fucking see. Alright. There we go. As easy as that. Now, gotta undo this fucking V-band completely. Yeah, it'll be a bit finicky to get it back in, but what are we up to? 10 minutes. And what? We've just been having a bit of a chit chat and this and that and that. Come on, Mr. V-Band, come on. We'll get this V-Band off. This was always gonna be a sucker. Right. How are we gonna do this? Let me think for a moment. It is nearly there. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now, what we have to do, we have to work this around because we've got the wastegate over here, which is the reason why I'm taking all this off. I'm actually going to reroute the wastegate. And this is the reason why I'm rerouting it. It's awkward. Okay, here we go, guys. That's another piece of the manifold right there. Okay, right. Okay, let's have a look at this. So that's V-banded down there. Let's see if we can get this off. I'll have a bit of a fiddle with it. I'll get it off. The whole idea for having the V-band there is for this, for the sake of this. Now I'll probably just tie this up here just to take the weight off it a little bit. But see, none of that has to come off if you don't want it to. You can do whatever you want. Let's just say, for instance, you had to do a fucking water pump or something. You don't have to take the turbo out. Yeah. So anyway, I've got to set up the car to get the manifold off from the engine, and then, yeah, what are we up to? 12 minutes, 13 minutes. Not bad going, guys. So anyways, you can see the manifold's still on. Now I'm quite sure I designed this to come off with the engine mount intact. But if not, then, well, I guess I'll have to redesign it. I'm not going to bore you with getting all these bolts undone. It'll probably take me 5 or 10 minutes depending on how tight they are, and then we'll see if this thing slides out. So the bolts are loose. See if we can get this out. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, we might actually not be able to because of that fucking... we'll see. We'll give it a go. And just like that, we have a turbo manifold, and we still have the engine mount intact, as you can see. Man, I reckon that's fucking brilliant. Anyway, guys, just a quick one. Mate, if an old guy like me, fucking shit eyes, shit neck, shit back, can do this shit, imagine you young fellas, man. Bro, I'm up to, I think, 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes so far. Now, if I could do it in 12 to 15 minutes, you young fellas would probably do it in fucking half that, eh? Have a good one, guys. Catch you next time.
Blade of gold, forged in flame, banana helm, a warrior's name. Through the storm, the battle calls, samurai stands, never falls. Peel of power, armor shines, cut through shadows, break the lines. Chaos bends beneath his will, fury rises, blood to spill. Metallic banana samurai, rise above, reach the sky. Power flows, never die. Metallic by might. Fear the peel, fear the fight. Lightning strikes, his wrath divine. Glory forged in endless time. Hear the roar, the steel's decree. A legend born, wild and free. Banana crown, the chosen blade. Immortal path, destiny.
Yeah, boy.
Metallic, banana samurai. Rise above, reach the sky.